Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning class. How are you all? All of you are fine? Yes class. Today is Wednesday. WED NES DY Wednesday, 16 December, 2020. Our subject is English. Now come to the keywords. Mouse, mouse. Spouse, spouse. Louse, louse. House, house. Blouse, blouse. Arouse. MOUSE mouse, SPOUSE spouse, LOUSE louse, HOUSE house, BLOUSE blouse, AROUSE arouse. Now come to the sentence of the week. I have taken bath today. I have taken bath today. Come to the manner of the week. Manner of the week is brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Okay, let's start some drills. Now revise an apple. All of you will revise an apple. It is an apple. Its color is red. Its taste is sweet. It makes us healthy. I like to eat it. It is an apple. Its color is red. Its taste is sweet. It makes us healthy. I like to eat it. Okay, now come to the topic, all of you. Today our topic is use of these and those. Yes, UKG class, in last week I have told you about use of this and that. This and that also use with this is used with the near things, near objects, and those is used with the further things, for the further objects. Okay. Now there is a difference between these and those. These and those use with the plurals, plural things, objects. Okay, and this and that is used with the singular things. Now come to the flashcards and doodles. Yes, now look at this. All of you look at these flashcards. Yes, these are oranges. These are oranges. These are hearts. In these pictures, oranges and hearts are near to the sentence. And in next flashcard, all of you are watching, those are balls. Those are balls. Those are flowers. Those are balls. Balls are not near to the sentence, and flowers are also. Clear? Okay. All of you now come to the copy work. Come to the copy work. You will write down the date. WED NES DY Wednesday, 16 December, 2020. Number 1. These are books. Number 2. Those are bananas. Those are bananas. Number 3. These are keys. Number 4. Those are hats. Those are hats. Number 5. These are apples. These are apples. Number 6. Those are trees. Okay, this is your copy work. UKG, you will show me. Fine. Allah Hafiz.